countries like India and Pakistan or Bangladesh. So there, like, we have a different driving sense. But when you come to Europe, especially like in these countries, they follow the rules very strictly, and they expect that you are also following the rule. So there could be sometime like misunderstanding. Okay, so that is one challenge. And for Indians, the challenge is the driving side. In India, we sit on the right side and drive on left. But here, we sit on the left side and drives on the right side of the road. So this is one major difference. And getting driving license is also very tricky. So there are biases also. But I think they want to be sure that whoever like getting the license, get rid of that kind of mentality because you drive sometime without thinking. So here when they give you driving license, they make sure that you don't have that kind of old habits remain inside you. So then only they give you the driving license. Because of that, there are a lot of failures happen. So it's easy, like when it comes to written exam, we Indians pass easily. But when it comes to actual practical exam, then I see that many of my friends failed thrice, and maybe more than 5 times they failed in the actual practical driving exam. So there are few things you need to consider when you are driving on Swedish or European road, that you follow the speed limit. Okay, so speed limit following means that if a speed limit of 100, you cannot drive it over here at 70 or 60. So you need to make it near 100, like 95, 90, and you should not exceed the speed limit in any ways. Look for the road signs. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to ensure. So be confident, follow the driving rules, and it's all get done. So that's what I can just say in short about driving in European countries, or like especially in Sweden.